Ever wondered what happens when Ferrari's sleek design meets ultra-luxury real estate? Join us as we step inside Casa Maranello, a $55 million masterpiece on Delray Beach's Billionaires Row. Hit that subscribe button for more inside looks at the highest end of luxury living. Number 1. Location and exterior design. Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac in Stone Creek Ranch, a gated enclave within Delray Beach, Casa Maranello immediately commands attention. Rather than a traditional South Florida villa, its architecture channels Ferrari's design language. Sleek, flowing lines that mimic a car's aerodynamic profile, metallic accents that catch the sun like fresh paint, and walls of glass that blur the boundary between indoors and out. As you navigate the circular driveway, the cantilevered roof juts forward like a car's spoiler, while polished metal trim around the windows gleams much like a Ferrari's curved bodywork. Inside the gated compound, tropical landscaping, palm trees, sculpted hedges, and modern water features creates an elegant backdrop. At night, strategically placed uplights cast dramatic shadows on sculptural elements, transforming the property into a piece of living art. Even the front gate, with its minimalist steel and glass construction, evokes the entrance to an exclusive car show rather than a typical luxury home. In short, the exterior of Casa Maranello doesn't whisper luxury, it roars it, much like a Ferrari at full throttle. Number 2. Scale and layout. Stepping through the glass and steel front door, you're greeted by over 21,000 square feet of living space spread across 3 seamless levels. High ceilings and open sightlines create an airy, spacious feel without ever feeling cavernous. Natural stone floors, polished wood accents, and subtle red inset details, a nod to Ferrari's signature hue, warm up the volume. From the foyer, you catch the sight of the indoor car gallery through floor-to-ceiling glass, an immediate hint of what's to come. The layout fans out. To the left, the entertainment wing with its bar and media lounge. To the right, a cozy family sitting area and chef-grade kitchen. A sweeping red glass staircase and a central elevator connect each floor, ensuring that private retreats and grand entertaining spaces flow naturally into one another. Number 3. Indoor Auto Gallery. Arguably the most talked about feature, the 12-car auto gallery sits front and center, visible through a full-height glass wall from the main living room. Imagine relaxing on an Italian leather sofa while admiring rows of Ferraris, Lamborghinis, or any supercar in your collection. This isn't just a garage, it's a curated museum space designed to showcase each vehicle as a work of art. Polished concrete floors reflect the overhead LED track lighting, which can be adjusted to highlight each car's contours, whether it's a modern LaFerrari or a classic 250 Testarossa. Platforms and angled risers position signature models like art on pedestals, while carbon fiber accents and Ferrari red backlighting reinforce the theme. Custom sliding doors open silently to reveal the gallery, making the unveiling feel as dramatic as stepping onto a racetrack podium. Number 4. Bar and entertainment spaces. Transitioning from the auto gallery, you enter the entertainment heart of the mansion, a bespoke bar costing an estimated $2 million. Crafted from Brazilian tiger skin onyx and petrified wood, the bar's warm amber and brown swirls contrast beautifully with polished chrome details and leather-wrapped fronts. Above, custom chandeliers pepper the space with light, creating shifting patterns on the floor as they catch the sun. Behind the bar, backlit shelving displays premium spirits, while a hidden humidor caters to cigar aficionados. Across from this, a raised lounge area features plush seating, a drop-down projector screen, and concealed immersive speakers. Smooth transitions lead to a secondary media lounge with a 100-inch theater screen, surround sound, and motorized blackout shades. There, leather recliners face a floating glass fireplace set against red glass tiles, resulting in an entertainment complex that rivals any boutique nightclub. Number 5. Wellness and Indoor Pool. Beyond the entertainment wing lies a wellness haven you might mistake for a luxury spa. A floor-to-ceiling glass wall opens onto the saltwater indoor pool, measuring roughly 50 feet long. The water maintains a gentle ripple, no chlorine smell thanks to advanced filtration and salt chlorination systems, tinted skylights above the pool turn from clear to opaque with the touch of a button, allowing for total privacy or full natural light, depending on the mood. Adjacent to the pool area is a Himalayan salt room, where walls lined in pink Himalayan salt blocks create negative ions believed to promote relaxation and respiratory benefits. A steam room and traditional sauna sit just steps away, each enclosed in frameless glass to enhance that spa-like feel. Flooring throughout this suite is heated natural stone, ensuring you never step onto cold tiles. Plush lounge chairs line one side of the pool, offering the perfect vantage point for guests sipping herbal tea or fresh pressed juice from a nearby refreshment nook. Number 6. Primary Suite and Secret Room. On the second floor, a private corridor opens into a 3,400 square foot primary suite that feels like its own luxury hotel. Dual grand areas anchor the space. One side features an oversized soaking tub framed by a floor-to-ceiling window overlooking the garden, while the other offers a steam shower with multiple shower heads and a built-in bench. Marble floors underfoot, custom bronze fixtures on faucets and hardware, and ambient recessed lighting set a tone of refined opulence. Between the two bath areas, you find a walk-in closet the size of many city apartments, drawers trimmed in leather, shelves backlit to showcase accessories, and a central island topped in polished black granite for folding or displaying items. Hidden behind a sliding door carbon fiber panel is the secret room. It's a compact but fully equipped hair salon, complete with a professional styling chair, illuminated mirror, and storage for tools. A separate adjoining alcove houses a massage table, soft lighting, and scented essential oils for a spa-like experience. It's the ultimate retreat. When you close that carbon fiber door, you could be in a private salon or a hidden lounge. Anyone who discovers it will feel like they've stepped into a James Bond adventure. Number 7. Other bedrooms and guest wing. In total, the mansion offers 7 ensuite bedrooms. Beyond the primary suite, each guest bedroom is thoughtfully designed with its own flair. Some overlook the putting greens, others look out on the courtyard or the home's private soccer field. All feature full marble or porcelain bathrooms, rainfall shower heads, frameless glass enclosures, and custom vanities with double sinks. Walk-in closets are standard, built to hold a serious wardrobe collection. The guest wing occupies its own hallway for added privacy. It has a separate living area with a kitchenette, perfect for extended stays or visiting family. Then there's also a private balcony overlooking the pool terrace, where guests can enjoy coffee at sunrise or cocktails at sunset without feeling like they're imposing on the homeowners. Everything is arranged so that visitors feel pampered and connected, yet still afforded their own space. Number 8. Outdoor amenities. Step outside and the property unfolds like a resort. A soccer field with synthetic turf occupies one side of the backyard, perfect for friendly matches or practicing your free kick. Adjacent to it is a professional-grade putting green, complete with multiple pin placements, sand traps, and undulating slopes that challenge even seasoned golfers. Both these amenities are framed by tropical landscaping, palm trees, sculpted hedges, and strategically placed LED uplights that turn the entire scene into a nighttime spectacle. Closer to the house sits a covered loggia outfitted for al-fresco dining, a custom-built grill station, marble countertops, and a fully integrated pizza oven makes this an entertainer's dream. There's also an outdoor bar with a kegerator and a wine refrigerator discreetly tucked beneath the bar front. 2 fire pits flank a sunken conversation area. Think plush seating arranged around a low stone-clad table. When the flame stands in the evening breeze, it feels like an open-air lounge in an exclusive resort. On the opposite side of the lawn is a jacuzzi pavilion, complete with a retractable roof that opens to the sky. Surrounding the hot tub are chaste lounges for sunbathing, and adjacent to that, a covered gazebo with more seating and an outdoor audio system. Throughout the grounds, pathways of honed stone lead you past sculptural water features, creating moments of discovery at every turn. In true Ferrari fashion, everything is engineered to feel both high performance and effortlessly cool. Number 9. Market impact and sale details. When Casa Maranello hit the market in November 2024 with a $55 million price tag, it instantly became the most expensive listing in Delray Beach history. Most ultra-luxury homes in the area hover around the $20 to $30 million range, so a $55 million asking price was bold. Yet within 2 months, the seller accepted an all-cash offer, plus the buyers traded in their own $26 million South Florida home as part of the deal. That lightning-fast sale not only shattered Delray's previous high, but also signaled a shift in how real estate professionals view the area's potential. Prior to Casa Maranello, waterfront estates and golf course properties dominated South Florida's top-tier market. But this Ferrari-themed mansion proved that a strong, cohesive narrative and truly world-class craftsmanship could command record-breaking value. Since that sale, at least 3 other auto-centric mansions have debuted in South Florida, each hoping to tap into the same enthusiasm from collectors and luxury buyers. In short, Casa Maranello didn't just sell for $55 million. It reset the bar for what Delray Beach can become. Which feature of Casa Maranello amazed you the most? Was it the indoor car gallery, the secret salon, or the saltwater pool? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to LuxFluent and click the link in the upper right corner to explore more luxury properties. Get fluent, stay fluent.